Hello everyone. Unfortunately, right now I don't have time for talking because I have ants in my pants and I need to do so many things. Right now I'm gonna build, I'm gonna extend or expand my ghost city, but after that we will have plenty of time in order to talk. And we also will try to find some traces of those sounds which we heard before because it's really scary. Okay, dokie, I finished that. Let's go home and then we will do some of the other stuff. Um, I don't know. It seems to me that I heard something again. This is so weird. I'm so tired of hearing that. Maybe it's just me hearing the sounds. I don't know, but I think right now It's time to try to find some traces of those sounds and try to investigate what can it be. And I mean that a little bit later we will try to walk at night, and it's scary, yes, but it's necessary. At least we will walk within our castle and try to find something. The most scary part is about those sounds is that the last time I heard them, it seems to me that they been underground and there's no caves underneath this place, to the best of my knowledge. Also, I can be mistaken, but this can give me such a scary ideas. I will tell you about that later. Really, I have certain suspicions. I hope it's not gonna be true. Guys, did you hear that? I don't know what to say. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. It's happening. I mean, I'm really afraid wild animals, and I will tell about that later. I will tell that in details. But for now, I'm just wanna sleep, and I'm so scared. I don't believe it. Um. So during the last days, I have heard some sounds, and I interpreted those sounds as just wild animals. What is logical actually. But then I started to notice something weird. I understood that some of the sounds that came from underground kinda, and it's so strange. Not only I noticed that those sounds are coming from within the earth, so to speak, but I also noticed that those sounds was different, meaning that I never heard them before. It's very similar to usual animals, but then I noticed that they are actually different, a little bit different. And why? I think that for now I just must be a little bit more careful, and then we'll see. Let's make a night walk. Let's be very calm and pay attention to details, to some sounds, I mean. It's so beautiful to walk here at night, also very scary, but also beautiful. I cannot recognize this place. It's so different. It seems to be calm, and no one is out there, and no one is here. Fortunately, my wild yard, literally, and the entrance to Ghost City. Hmm, so unusual. I'm literally walking and checking almost every room. I don't know why, just little paranoia. I don't want to be a paranoid person. Oh, I actually like this place a lot because it's so different from that was before. Really, it's so different. I literally cannot recognize it. That was such a good idea to rebuild it. I'm shocked a little bit. I found something really scary. I don't know what to say about that, how to express it. I'm just gonna show it. But I just accidentally found it. It existed before, but I didn't notice that because there were some bushes and there was some green stuff. I mean, I've been walking here today. I've been removing some of that stuff, and look what I found. I feel that there was just a few graves, but behind that, behind the green bushes, which I removed already, and some of the tree, I found um kind of huge graveyard. Look at that, it's massive or really big. What it tells us? It tells that someone's been here before. I mean, many people been here before, but how they died and why? I mean, there have been lots of people, and now there's no one. And here's huge graveyard. It's interesting, isn't it? I really cannot believe that I'm playing here for such a long time. I mean, I'm living here for such a long time and I've been working here many times, but I never been getting exactly in this region. I've been kinda avoiding it, especially at nights. I cannot imagine how scared would I could I be if I would go there at night. So many things needs to be done. I'm actually gonna clear that region which I showed you before. And I will investigate what's been there. But I promise that next time I will tell exactly what I think about animals, about that stuff, because it's very interesting and very important. And because this place is so beautiful, I really cannot recognize it. That was such a good idea to record it. I just cannot recognize this place. Oh, there's red one. Uh-oh. Okay, as you can see, I cleared that region and there's quite a lot of space. As you seen before at the beginning of this video, I built already built big house there with few balconies, and there's actually amazing view, and I mean really amazing, because from that balcony view points us on a graveyard. I mean, what can be more beautiful, especially at night? Although I don't wanna walk here at night, but we'll see. I can say that today was pretty productive day. I'm really happy. I've done quite a lot of things, and those scary sounds really shocked me. I'm really thrilled or even scared. We will investigate it next time. But for now, just look at this beautiful sunset on the graveyard. Just imagine, what if right now I'm standing here and underneath me, on the ground, there is something happening, something dark, angry, evilish, and we don't know what to expect. Just imagine, because where the sounds are coming from, it's very interesting. I think we really will investigate it deeper